How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can integrate or add text in FreeCAD. So I have my simple shape right here. Now on your workspace, you want to navigate through draft, and then you want to use this function right here, which is going to be the shape string. In some other cases, it's going to be at the end of the utility tool, but just navigate through the shape string function. Now inside, let's put something like guide. Of course, you can edit out the height if you want to, but lastly, you can just simply select your font. So in my case, it's going to be the Baba's New Regular. Just make sure that you select something like .ttf, .otf files. So I'll just click open right here. And so the last thing to do is to just select the contact point or the corner of your shape. Click on OK, and then our text will then integrate right here. And basically from there, it will not show up first because it is identical with my main shape. So if I click on the shape string right here, it will actually show up. Now, of course, you can edit this out if you want to, but in my case, I'll just navigate through the part and then I'll select the extrude option. So from there, we now have our shape. Of course, once again, you can edit this out the way you want to. So let's actually make this bigger into something like 20 millimeters. Click on apply, and that's basically about it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.